Take you on a quick tour here of the Wallingford Craftsman. This house is definitely a restoration project for someone, but has a lot of original details. And a newel post there, original staircase. That door there leads to the kitchen, and has a built-in little bench there, which is really cute. A lot of the original molding still exists. Here's the front room with the stained glass windows. It's a good space. It would be the living room. Back up here so you can see these columns that lead to the dining room. Unfortunately, most of the fixtures are gone. Again, here you can see the original fir floors are throughout the entire house. If they were refinished, they could be really beautiful. Some basic built-ins there. There is a bedroom, small bedroom back here on the first floor. That's a pretty good size, you know, fit queen bed. And it has a little closet. This is, looks like it's been added later, but it has the original clawfoot tub and sink. Let me turn around here so you can see this bedroom again. And it has the stained glass windows. The kitchen is really a full gut. There's a lot of work to be done here in the kitchen, but you know, it's a good space. Appliances come with, but they are older. And back there is a pantry. This is the door to the exterior. Original tall windows. And the door to the basement. I'm going to take you now upstairs. At one time, this house was a 4-bedroom, 1-bath house. They have taken a wall down, 2 walls down up here, which now makes it a 3-bedroom. But you will see, you can see there where they took the wall down. And let me show you the ceiling. So this was originally a hallway, and there were 2 door entrances there. So you have 1 bedroom there with a closet. And they've made this little nook here into a powder room. This would be a good sized bedroom for someone. And then I'm panning over here, and you can see that would have been another bedroom. And lastly, here would have been the 4th bedroom, but it is the 3rd. And it has its own closet that goes in the eaves. So if you're looking for a restoration project, this is it. There's a lot of great bones here, and there's a lot of potential, but a lot of work to be done. So give us a call.